Today we're doing Blume Dolls. Dolls today.
The flower pot girls.
And we love Blume Doll surprises. Have a bunch of them. I like a 4060. They have a rare Blume Doll. Want to see it? Want to see the real Blume Doll? Here it is. And she goes with her. Okay. There's one sticker. Here it comes. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I think that one's the same as this one, Mommy. I think I know what. Mama, look. Look who we got. And look at Mama. Look, Mama, I told you she was the same as this girl. I got a twin. I got a twin of the other kind girl, Mama. I got a twins. So let's take this plastic off your hair, right? How? Got this guy, the same. Now I'm opening up her closet. And let's see what they have. Ooh! Go perfect. Now, last thing is her purse. Her belt purse. Thanks, Blume Dolls, and I have the same glasses and 2 strawberries.